In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of your Gmail account from other devices in just a few simple steps. This is really useful if you've signed in on a shared computer, a phone you no longer use, or you simply want to make sure your account is secure. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to view the devices connected to your Google account and remotely sign them out. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com. This will take you to your Google account settings page where you can manage your security and connected devices. Once the page loads, sign into the Google account that you want to log out from other devices. If you already signed in, you may be taken straight to your account dashboard. Next, look at the menu on the left side or in the account settings area and click Security. This section contains all of the important options related to your account protection, including password settings, two-step verification, and the devices currently signed in. Now scroll down until you find the section called Your Devices. This area shows the phones, tablets, laptops, and other devices that are currently linked to your Google account. To see the full list, click Manage All Devices. You'll now be able to view every device that has access to your account. Take a moment to review the list carefully so you can identify the device you want to log out from. This is especially important if you're trying to remove access from an old phone, a public computer, or a device you no longer recognize. Once you find the device you want to remove, click on it to open the details. Here, you'll see more information about that device, including when it last accessed your account. After that, click Sign Out. Google may ask you to confirm your choice, so go ahead and approve it if prompted. This will log that specific device out of your Google account, which also helps protect your Gmail and connected Google services. If you have more than one device you want to remove, simply repeat the same steps for each one. Go back to the device list, select the next device, and click Sign Out again. This makes it easy to clean up old sessions and keep your account secure. If you ever think someone else may have access to your Gmail, logging out of other devices is one of the first things you should do. It's a fast and effective way to protect your privacy. And that's it. You've now learned how to log out of your Gmail account from other devices. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a simple tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.